Hi, it's John here. Today I'm going to use the Instant Pot air fryer lid to make a roasted chicken. For the marinade, I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of raw sugar, 2 teaspoons of pink salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of herbs de Provence. So let's mix all those herbs and butter together. And I need to save 3 tablespoons of the marinade for the chicken later when we roast the chicken. So this chicken is slightly over 3 pounds, and I've already washed it and pat dry the chicken. So I'm going to coat the chicken with the marinade. So I'm going to coat the entire chicken. Now I have already coated the chicken with the marinade. For the leftover marinade, I'm going to stuff it inside the cavity of the chicken. So I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken stock into the inner pot of the Instant Pot. Make sure you use the stainless steel Instant Pot, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, so I'm going to put the chicken inside the inner pot. As a rule of thumb, I'm going to use 6 minutes per pound of chickens. So this chicken is slightly over 3 pounds. So I'm going to use 20 minutes of pressure cook, and then I'll leave it in the Instant Pot and have 10 minutes of natural release of the pressure, and that should be enough time to cook the entire chicken. So the chicken is cooked, and I already checked the internal temperature reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and it looks good. So I'm going to use the marinade I saved earlier and brush it on the chicken. So we add some more butter on the chicken skin, so when you broil the chicken later, hopefully it's going to create a more crispy skin. So I'm going to put the Instant Pot lid on and use the broil function, and I'm going to set the timer to about 5 minutes. Start. So after about 5 minutes, let's see. Wow, the chicken skin is kind of turned brown and then golden brown, and then it smells really good. See, the skin is kind of crispy, you can feel it. So I'm going to take out the chicken, and I'm going to mix some cornstarch with water and mix it with the juice from the chicken. so to thicken the sauce, so later when we eat the chicken we're gonna have a gravy. Tasting time. Let's dip some of the gravy. The skin is kind of crispy and the meat is moist and juicy. So first time making it, quick success. Please use the link in the video description to purchase the IP air fryer lid. Please also subscribe my channel and click the bell for new video notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time.